Hi, I'm Tad from Phoenix Contact and welcome to another episode of Efficiency TV. Today we're going to be looking at the Unifox cable tie tool. The Unifox cable tie tool is designed to be used with metal cable ties. Yes, we have similar tools for nylon cables in our range available, but it is important to use metal ties in some instances. And those instances, well, the answer is simple: fire. Here we have Practical Tad showing us what happens to our mounted or secure cables in the event of a fire. Good luck. The rationale behind using a metal cable tie is for preventing the collapse of exposed or surface-mounted cable systems in the event of a fire. Traditionally, nylon or plastic cable ties would be used to secure these cables to a cable tray, but in the event of a fire, these would melt and then potentially fall, like so. But as you can see, the metal ties remain solid and safely in place. Okay, so now we know why we use metal cable ties. We all know they can be difficult to install and to get right, often being difficult to tighten up and leaving really sharp edges after trimming them. Well, the Unifox cable tie tool makes life much easier when using steel cable ties with a width of 7.9mm and a thickness of 0.3. It's ergonomically designed to both tighten and cut in a single step. Once the correct tension, which can be adjusted by turning the screw here, is achieved, leaving you a finish that is flush and safe to touch without the possibility of cutting yourself. But how does it compare to how you currently install them? Let's find out. Right, the rules are really simple. We both have 5 steel cable ties, a piece of steel tube which will mimic our armoured cable, and something crudely put together at the last minute to tie it to. I'll be using the Unifox cable tie tool, and I'll be using a pair of bullnose pliers. Okay, do you think you'll get a good finish with those? 100%. No, okay. Been using them for years, mate. Not a problem. All right. Okay. All right then. Okay. Ready? Ready. Okay. 3, 2, 1, go. I imagine getting the cable tight is a bit of a chore with those, isn't it? No, not at all. It's easy peasy, I think. Okay. Okay, that's where the magic happens. Magic. And that's me done. How you getting on? Yeah? No, yeah, look. I can run my finger against each of them. It's secured on. Nice and flush. How are yours? Still not cut, finished yet, okay. All right, do you want to borrow it? Yes, please. Maybe I'll get you one for Christmas. Well, there you have it. Not only is the Unifox cable tie tool quicker, easier and safer to use, it also provides a safer finish to the trimmed excess steel and makes the whole process much faster. Now, sadly, that's all we've got time for today, but join us again for another episode of Efficiency TV, coming soon. Bye for now.